Mae'n bwysig gwneud yr arholiad achos mae'n gyfle gwych I wellach Cymraeg.
It's important to do the exam because you work hard all year, you come to classes through all weathers, and at the end of the year, if you do the exam, you have this lovely certificate to say, I can actually speak this language, I've done it, I've got it.
Mae'r pobl sydd wedi sefyll arholiadau yma'n Gwent yn y gorffennol, mae Cymraeg nhw wedi gwella dros nos achos mae'n adolygu yn ymarfer ac mae bob dim jyst yn dod at ei gilydd. Felly mae'n gyfle gwych I adolygu, dod â popeth at ei gilydd ac gwellach Cymraeg mwy na dim.
I knew I had to sit an examination in order to make me work.
It's very important to us here at Learn Welsh Gwent that those of you who wish to sit exams are fully supported throughout the entire process, and I'm pleased to say that here in Gwent we do just that.
What's available for the learners to prepare for the exam? Well, what we need to do is we need to prepare ourselves to be able to speak Cymraeg, because 55% of the exam is actually speaking.
Mae yna lawer o gyfleoedd yma'n Gwent I ymarfer eich Cymraeg ac I baratoi ar gyfer yr arholiad.
With Learn Gwent, we have lots of opportunities for our learners to speak Welsh outside of the classroom.
Yn fy ngwersi, mae pawb yn paratoi ar gyfer arholiadau os maen nhw'n gwneud nhw neu beidio. Ac dyn ni'n ymarfer yr ysgrifennu, y gwrando, y darllen, y siarad. Felly, pan byddwch chi'n cyrraedd yma ar ddiwrnod yr arholiad, byddwch chi wedi hen arfer gwneud yr arholiad ac yn gwybod yn iawn beth sydd o'ch blaenau chi. Felly, dydy o ddim yn reswm I fod yn nerfus o gwbl.
We have some top tips for those of you who wish to sit exams on our Facebook page, and they are regularly updated. We run a number of different courses, specific courses, aimed at supporting our learners who wish to sit exams.
Mae yna ysgolion undydd bob mis, cyrsia penwythnos, mae yna lawer o bethau sesiynau Skype I ni ac hefyd bydd yna sesiynau yn eich paratoi ar gyfer pob un o'r lefelau arholiad.
Preparing for the exam is just turning up for class, and in class we learn to form sentences, to ask questions, we learn new vocab, we learn to speak to partners, work in groups, and really that's all we're doing is preparing for fluency, preparing for the exam.
I must admit it's probably one of my proudest qualifications.
Sitting an examination as an adult, and I've sat a few myself, is a completely different experience from the sort of atmosphere and the sort of experience you would have had sitting examinations in school.
As you come into the college, you'll be met with our friendly and understanding tutors, a lot of whom have been there themselves as Welsh learners and sat the same exams that you've sat.
Oh, wrth fy modd, I was absolutely delighted, over the moon.
Bendigedig.
Oh, hapus iawn. Ardderchog.
The important thing for us is that at the end of each course, whether it's the end of the Mynediad course, the Sylfaen course or the Canolradd course, that you've reached that level in order for you to be able to progress to the next level. And sitting an exam is an excellent way of ensuring that you've ticked all the boxes, that you are ready to move on. But whether you sit the exam or not, that is still the aim at the end of the course, to get you to that level. So if that's the aim, you may as well sit the exam anyway. You've got nothing to lose in that respect. I ddysgu mwy am unrhyw agwedd ar ein arholiadau gyda ni yma yng Ngwent, ewch ar ein gwefan. For more information about any aspects of sitting exams here with us in Gwent, please visit our website, which is dysgucymraeg.cymru/Gwent. Come and see us.